Hello, fellow diamond painting addicts, and welcome back to Diamond Painting Anonymous. I'm Daphne, and I'm here today to share with you 3 fun special kits from Paintsomeway. So I'm just gonna grab one and open it. So I got a couple of mandalas. Oh, this is so nice and flexible to roll up. Love that. It is a special drill kit, as you can see. We've got our standard toolkit, boat, plate of wax, pink pen. And here is our fun mandala. I like this one. I've been looking for ones that had something that wasn't a white background. So this one is like, it's black, but it looks more like dark blue under the lights. But it's this very pretty pink and blue mandala. It is a 30 by 30, so let's measure. It's 25 by 25. We do have a schematic on both sides, but we only have 7 drills. So it's nice and sticky where you need it to be. Let's grab our drills and see what this is going to look like. So for this kit, we get a lot of pink crystal rhinestones. We get some blue and some clear. And then we get into our special drills. We've got some small round red. We've got some red iridescent marquee shaped. We've got 2 bags of this large blue, which I'm going to guess is the C. And then we've got some clear iridescent teardrop shapes. So yeah, the blue go all the way, they're in kind of every layer. And then we've got the marquee shapes here. We've got our little round red. Yeah, I just think this one is going to be really pretty. And because these are specials, they don't take very long. This one was $4.99. I'll be right back with the next one. As you can see, this one is also a mandala. Very soft canvas, nice and easy to roll up. We've got our standard toolkit, boat, plate of wax, pink pen. And it is a special drill kit, as you can see. Look at all those pearls. And again, here's this little pretty mandala. And this one is mostly blue and white with the black background. And I just thought it was going to be really pretty. It only has 6 drills for this one. We do have a schematic on both sides. Nice and sticky. And we do get our crystal codes if you're interested in those. So this is also a 30 by 30. So let's measure. It is also 25 by 25. So these would be maybe good to frame and hang up next to each other. Since they're both kind of the same size, you could get the same frame and put both kits in it. All right, let's look at our drills. Okay, so we get some clear crystal rhinestones. We get some like antique orange, yellow, and then we get into all these different sizes of pearls. So we've got 2 bags of the large round pearls, 2 bags of the small round pearls, and then we have some blue round, and then we've got some turquoise teardrop shape. So the turquoise ones are going to go around here, and then we've got all these little different pearls interspersed with the clear and the yellow. I just think this one is going to be really pretty. This one was also $4.99. All right, let's look at kit number 3. I saved this one for last because I just love the color scheme in this one. Also nice and easy to roll up, not the really thick, hard canvas types that you get that have the creases in them. So standard toolkit, boat, plate of wax, pink pen. It is a special drill kit, as you can see. Look at those fun colors. And here is this cutie. Now I know it's Christmas and it's probably a little early for some of us to be thinking about that, but I just really love this kind of antique color scheme. It's like teals and oranges and some reds and browns. I just really love this color scheme. So we've got 11 drills, and it looks like 5 of them are, maybe 4 of them are special drills, and then everything else is rhinestones. This is also a 30 by 30, so let's measure. From the edge here to the edge here, it is 25 by slightly under 25. Yeah, I just really love the way this one looks. It is nice and sticky where you need it to be. So let's look at our drills. All right, so you can see here what I mean kind of by the color scheme. So we've got this kind of old antique-y yellowish orange. We've got this like very dark smoky orange brown. a turquoise, there's a dark orange, a dark red, like a smoke color, and then we get into our special drills. We've got a round red iridescent. We've got these antique gold teardrop shapes. We've got some iridescent orange round ones. We've got some iridescent red teardrops. And then we've got these very large red rounds, which will be like the ball ornaments of these. But I just thought this one was super pretty, and I can't wait to see how it looks when it's finished. This one was also $4.99. All right, let me get the drills put away, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, it's me, and I wanted to show you what I finished. So I finished the Christmas tree. I really love how this one came out. I absolutely love the color scheme of this one. I like the big red round special drills. I really like these kind of pinky red ones, and then some are like more orange and gold. But this teal color with the brown and the gold and the red, I just think it looks really good, and I'm really happy with how it came out. Just wanted to show you what one of the finishes look like so you can see for yourself what it is. Now, back to the rest of the video. Okay, so we've got our very cute Christmas tree, and then we have our kind of blue and white mandala, and then we have our pink and blue mandala. These are all $4.99, all 30 by 30s. I will, as always, stick links in the description box down below so that you can go check them out for yourself. They have lots of other specials. If you're looking for something for the upcoming holiday season, they already have some of those out as well. So take a look and see what grabs your eye. Thanks for sticking around till the end of the video, guys. Before you leave, don't forget to do all the things. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and hit that bell notification icon so that you can be informed of future uploads. And as always, guys, thanks so much for watching.